Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have PQR. P is the fusion ring system with 2 phenyl and 1 pentane. And Q, you have the same system with one more phenyl attachment. Then you have R, 2 5-member ring with 3 phenyl group. You have to arrange this 3 PQR with acidity order. Here the answer lies in the stability of the anion. After losing the proton, anion forms. So the anion stability decides the product formation. Let us analyze the anion stability one by one. P, if you look at it, the compound is aromatic, but individually rings are aromatic, no extra stability. So it's weakly acidic, not lose H plus easily. If you look at the Q, it is aromatic, extra stability by one phenyl group, but anion is not planar, so delocalization is not effective. Here R, it is aromatic and delocalization is very effective because of rigid planar ring. So H plus will lose easily, form the anion. So it is highly acidic. So the acidity order will be R, Q and P. Here the concept you have to learn here is planarity will help for delocalization. More the phenyl group, more the resonance, more the stabilization. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.